MetaMask is a browser extension that makes it easier to access Ethereum's dApp ecosystem. It also functions as a wallet for ERC20 tokens, allowing users to use the wallet to access network-based services. Where do we begin with this one? But first, hello and welcome back to the channel, Upstep Financial. We are back with another video about the world of finances. We bring you content about the best financial info, so please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of each new upload. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Do you recall the CryptoKitties who in December 2017 caused the Ethereum network to crash with 1.3 million transactions? Decentralized applications, or dApps, became popular as a result of this. Because of CryptoKitties' groundbreaking record, user numbers have plummeted to the hundreds. dApps are simply too complicated to utilize for many consumers. That's when MetaMask comes into play. It hopes to alter that by decreasing the entry barrier to the fascinating world of dApps and make the decentralized web more accessible to the general public. MetaMask is funded by Ethereum incubator Consensus, for those of you who aren't familiar with it. It is a browser plugin that acts as an Ethereum wallet and can be installed in the same way as any other plugins. Once it's installed, it allows users to store Ether and other ERC20 tokens, enabling them to make transactions to any Ethereum address. Users can spend their coins in games, stake tokens in gambling apps, and trade them on decentralized exchanges by connecting to Ethereum-based dApps. It also gives users a way into the nascent world of decentralized finance, or DeFi, by allowing them to access DeFi apps like Compound and Pool Together. Though it might seem difficult in the beginning, MetaMask is one of the easier Ethereum wallets and dApp browsers to use, and can be set up in a matter of minutes in most circumstances. To use MetaMask, you'll need Chrome, a Chromium-based browser like Brave, or, of course, Firefox. To begin, download and install the official MetaMask extension, also known as an add-on, to your browser. Depending on your browser, this will be either the Google Chrome extension or the Firefox add-on. Keep in mind that the steps are nearly identical regardless of which browser you prefer to use. You will know that you have successfully installed the MetaMask when you see the splash screen. The next thing you should do is click the Get Started button to start creating your Ethereum wallet. Now, moving on to our next step, hit that Create a Wallet button. After that, a dialog box will appear to ask if you want to help MetaMask improve its service. It is just the oldie but goodie way of websites like this to ask for your feedback, so you are free to click on the No Thanks button if you are not interested. But if you have ample time, feel free to participate and hit on the I Agree button. Whether you participate or not, you can still proceed to the following steps. Now, you can create your password. Just like any account, your MetaMask password should be at least 8 characters long. It is recommended to come up with a unique password made up of upper and lowercase letters. You can also add symbols and numbers if you wish. Just make sure that you will easily remember it. A quick tip: if you do not have a sharp memory, you can always write it down, either on a piece of paper or in your cell phone notes. Now proceed to read the terms of use. This is what legally binds you to the website. It also contains sets of rules you need to follow to smoothly use the website. After reading it out, you can click on the Create button after you are satisfied with your password. After that, MetaMask will show you your 12-word backup phrase. This must be written down in the same sequence as it appears on your screen. This will be required to recover your wallet if you ever lose access to your computer, and it should be kept in a secure location. Keep your 12-word backup phrase hidden because anyone with access to it will be able to reclaim your funds. Once you've written this down, click Next. On the next screen, confirm your backup phrase by typing the words in the same order as they were stored previously. Then, when you're finished, click the Confirm button. You're almost done with the MetaMask configuration. You will be automatically logged into MetaMask after clicking All Done on the last page. If you ever get logged out, simply click the symbol added to your web browser, which is normally located next to the URL bar, to log back in. The Assets tab will then provide you access to your asset list, while the Activity tab will show you your transaction history. Clicking the Send button, entering the recipient address and amount to send, and selecting a transaction fee makes sending transactions a breeze. You can also use the Advanced Options button to manually alter the transaction cost, utilizing data from ETH gas station or comparable services to get better gas pricing. On the following page, after clicking Next, you will be allowed to confirm or reject the transaction. You'll normally need to find a Connect to Wallet button or something similar on the platform you're trying to use to utilize MetaMask to engage with a dApp or smart contract. After clicking this, a prompt should appear asking if you want to allow the dApp to connect to your wallet. You'll be able to interact with the dApps and use their features once you've connected. Also, keep in mind that dApps will connect to MetaMask automatically, simplifying the process. If payment is required, a pop-up window will appear within the dApp requesting you to confirm the transaction from your MetaMask account. Good day, mate! We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it thus far. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications to be notified of new uploads. Now, before you leave this video and register for your MetaMask account, consider the following advantages and disadvantages. As we previously stated, MetaMask was founded about 6 years ago in 2016 by Consensus, a blockchain software technology business, and Aaron Davis as the main founder of this wallet. He was working for Apple Inc. at the time. The goal of MetaMask, according to him, was to create a browser extension tool that would allow users to run Ethereum dApps without having to be or own an Ethereum node. Initially, it was only available as a desktop browser extension, specifically for Chrome and Firefox. Then, even though MetaMask had been produced as an app previously, certain malicious software posing as MetaMask caused Google some issues when it came to adding MetaMask to Google Play and Chrome Web Store. Unfortunately, it's true that there were fake MetaMask apps. As a result, they mistakenly removed the real MetaMask app from these platforms. MetaMask did release a beta version of its mobile app in 2019, followed by a full release for iOS and Android users in 2020. The fact that MetaMask is available on so many platforms and apps is one of the things that makes it so valuable. MetaMask is still available in the App Store for iOS and Google Play for Android users, as well as in compatible browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and Edge. So, regardless of the device you're using, this is how more users can interact with MetaMask. MetaMask has been very popular since then. But why? Well, that is because MetaMask is very safe to use, perhaps because of the encryption, the password required to log into your wallet, the secret backup phrase, and other details. Another advantage is that MetaMask does not have access to your private key, making it extremely safe to use your cryptos. Finally, it is an open source wallet, making it more difficult to hack, and some people are continually working on new improvements. To top it off, MetaMask is incredibly simple to use. Both the extension and the apps are well designed, with all of the buttons clearly labeled and organized as they should be. Each operation has its areas, such as sending ETH or other tokens, exchanging tokens, maintaining account keys, updating account settings, connecting the app to the extensions, and so on. It's an online-based wallet. Even though this is a useful tool in many respects, using an online wallet can lead to potential hacks, particularly when it comes to browser hacking. Also, we understand that MetaMask does not have access to your data, but the browser you're using does. This could be a severe concern in terms of user privacy. Hardware programs, for example, are more vulnerable online than offline. Furthermore, transactions can be overly slow at times. When utilizing MetaMask, one of the things that slows it down is the fact that it can take a long time to confirm a transaction. As a result, fees are also greater. Slow transactions can occur when the network is overburdened, making it take longer to send tokens. Overall, MetaMask has created an easy access point for the burgeoning dApp industry since its introduction. User numbers are increasing as additional dApp goods and services emerge, with the Chrome extension and mobile apps already having over 1 million users. What are your thoughts on this one? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. That concludes today's video. We hope you've enjoyed this one, so please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of new uploads. This is Upstep Financial, and we'll see you in our next video. Have a good day!